Hi, my name's Joelle Taylor and I'm a poet, and I'm also the founder and artistic director of SLAMbassadors Poetry Society. I set it up about 17 years ago in order to break silences within our community and really to focus on marginalised young people and try and give them a voice. And the reason is, A, because they deserve to have their voices heard, and we deserve to hear them, and B, because we're trying to talent scout the next generation of poets and authors and spoken word artists and musicians, rappers. I do this because all art is activism, because all education is activism, and because in the space of 2 days you can change somebody's world so dramatically that their results raise, and certainly the results of their heart and soul certainly raise up. Thank you.